students, I am Dr. Satkala, Assistant Professor of English. In this lecture, I will tell about Happy Scene or The Silent Woman. It is a Renaissance drama. It is written by Ben Jonson. It is published in 1609. The most important drama by Ben Jonson are like Wolf on the Fox, Happy Scene, The Silent Woman, and Alchemist. These 3-4 are the most important Renaissance drama or drama by Ben Jonson that are from the net point of view. These are the 3 are the most important drama. In this lecture, first I will explain its characters and after that summary of Happy Scene, The Silent Woman. Let us start with characters. Characters of Happy Scene, The Silent Woman are in this way. Here is Moros. Moros, whose role is the most important. Moros, who has horror of noise, who can't hear loud noise in this play and not allow to anyone to speak loudly. Moros has a nephew who is Sir Dauphin. Sir Dauphin is the nephew of Moros, and Dauphin has some friends like Trouville and Clarinet. These are the most important or best friend of Dauphin. Here is the most important character, that is Cutbeard, whose role is most important in this play, who is a barber of Moros. And when we ahead in this play, we see that we read that Moros will marry in this play last the lady or a girl who is Happy Scene. And here is 2 more characters, Captain Tom Otter and whose wife is Mrs. Tom Otter. Captain Tom Otter at one place he will disguise as a lawyer. These are 4-5 main characters: Moros, nephew, Dauphin, 2 friends, Trouville, Clarinet, Monch, and he will marry Happy Scene, and here is a barber who is Cutbeard. Let us start the summary of that Renaissance drama. It's very interesting story. Moros sometimes give permission to speak when there is any type of emergency, but at that time he gave permission to speak through tube, not in open way. When the story starts, Sir Dauphin, Trouville, Clarinet, 3 friends, they are chatting, they are gossiping to each other. They are talking about marriage, property, all this type of topic, and at that time the topic related to Moros started. At that, Trouville and Clarinet, they teaching to Dauphin that Moros, who will not give his property to you, Dauphin. At that, Dauphin asked to Trouville and Clarinet that what I should do to get the property of my uncle Moros. Because Moros, who is in old age and who don't want to give his property to Dauphin, because with some past years or some past experiences, Moros who was not happy with Dauphin. At that, Sir Dauphin, Trouville, Clarinet, they meet with barber Cutbeard. They make a plan to marry of Moros. At that, Cutbeard who meet with Happy Scene, and here is a meeting of Happy Scene, Cutbeard with Moros. Moros meet to that mistress Happy Scene, and he found that Happy Scene is very nice and good lady, and at the time of meeting, Moros took many tests of Happy Scene like casing's test and how she speak and how she behave, all that type of test, and all the tests Apishin proved herself that she is very soft spoken, and at that Moros agreed to marry with Apishin, and on the day of marriage of Moros and Apishin, in the house of Moros there are so many girls like Dauphin, Truitt, Clarinette, Captain Tom Otter, Mrs. Tom Otter, and Cutbeard, who is a barber. All are, and so many other guests are also in the house of Moros. And at the time there are so many noise, terrorism, and Moros who was shocked to see, to watch that Apishin. She was laughing loudly, she was speaking loudly, here is a drum beat, all that to see Moros. He was so much disturbed, he was so much like a mud. And at the time he put cotton in his ears and he went underground at that. Dauphin, Cutbeard, and Moros said that I want to divorce to Apishin. At that, Dauphin put a condition that you can only give divorce to Apishin, only that condition, that you will have to inherit all his property to me. At that condition you can give to divorce to Apishin. And one of their friends who will disguise as a lawyer of Moros, and here is divorce between Moros and Apishin, and Moros inherited all his property to Sir Dauphin. At that place, in the last, here is one state that came out in the last, that Apishin, she was a boy, she was became a girl, or she was disguised as a boy. Here is a plan of Cutbeard and Sir Dauphin to get the property of Moros, and in the last Moros decided that I don't want to any type of noise, you can inherit my property. So this was the happy ending or a good ending of that Renaissance drama of that time. It's very interesting drama. You watch it and you should read it, and it is the most important from the net point of view also. It was published in 1609, and Silent Woman Apishin. This is the complete title of that. Here are some most important questions also. To keep watching, keep learning. If you like it, please share, like and subscribe. Thanks you.